Hey guys, so I wanted to talk to you real quick today about your task card assignment that you have. We haven't done anything like this yet, and this is the first time, so I wanted to go through everything with you. I took your Google Forms about length into account when you ranked yourselves 4, 3, 2, and 1. And some of you gave me some feedback on things that you would like to work on more to feel more confident. And one of those things was length and customary units of length. So that is exactly what this is today. We are only working with customary length units, okay? And I've broken that down for you a little bit easier with all the units that you'll be working with today. Now you'll have 10 task cards, okay? And all of them will either be feet, inches, yards, or miles. Those will be the only units that you'll be working with today. And I've provided for you some different conversions. So remember, this is a review. 12 inches are in 1 foot. 3 feet are in 1 yard. 5,280 feet are in 1 mile. And then 1,760 yards are in a mile. I don't think we have that in our notes, but we did that on a Google form at one point. If you want to add that in your notes to have it as a reference, that would be helpful. If not, you at least have it here in this video. So let's talk about what this will look like on your task cards. So you have, here they are. Mine look a little different because I created it, but you'll see the same idea. Each question will be on its own slide all the way through 10, okay? Now let's talk about how we would solve these questions. Looking at number 1, 324 feet is how many yards? Well, we know that there are 3 feet in a yard. So you would take 324 and you would divide it by 3. So like if you have a smaller unit, remember feet is smaller than yards, you are going to be dividing. Okay, dividing 324 by 3. Let's look at another one. 2. 4 miles is how many yards? Now, a yard is smaller than a mile, obviously. 4 miles is how many yards? You're changing a larger unit to smaller, so you're going to multiply. Okay, we know now that there are 1,760 yards in 1 mile. So we're going to multiply 1,760 by 4 to get our answer. Okay, you'll go through all 10. Here they are. And like I said, they're all customary length units. After you do that, here's how I want you to put your answers in. Okay, you can do this a couple different ways, but here's how I would recommend it. I would have you open a new Google Doc. Let's do this. So I'll go through it with you. Okay. Open up a new one. I would put 10 boxes in. Okay. So blank, insert, table. You could do this a couple different ways. I'll do 5 by 2. Okay. Give yourself some space in each. You'll obviously number them all. So let's 1. I'll just do a couple. 2, 3. Okay. You will write your answer with the label. Okay. So let's see here. Number 1's label would be yards. I'm not going to give you the answer, but I'll make sure that the label is there. Yards. Blank yards is my answer for 1. 2, my label would be yards as well. Blank yards for number 2. Okay, your answer will go there. Now I also want your work. So you'll have 10 answers here. So you got 10 answers correct. You had your labels, you had the right answer. That is not enough. You also have to show me work in some way. So you could do your work on the drawing tool, right? You could also show your work on a separate sheet of paper, take a picture, and upload it as well. Okay, so in this spot, this math length task cards here, you will upload, yours looks different than this, of course, your answer doc and your work picture. Now, those could both be on the same thing. You could take a picture and copy and paste it onto this doc too. I don't care. I just want you to have the work and the answers submitted. Okay? If you have questions about this, you can ask me in chat, you can ask me on GoGuardian, or you can shoot me an email. Either way works. All right, good luck, and let me know if you need any help.